Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. NASDAQ. Oof. Wow. There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. 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 You guys already that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. Hit that blow it up. Today, buddy. Not today. Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. NASDAQ. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't.
What's popping in there? What? Oh, there's a background. What happened to my background? Where did my background go? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? We are live. We're doing it right here on the #1 day trade channel, every day live on the tube. All right, so right now we're over here on the Only Profit Farmers website. Check it out if you want. Looking at the NASDAQ, pushing up there to the highs. We got some, we're back to the Bookmap today as well. We got the Bookmap back. Look at all the liquidity to the upside up there. What are we thinking, boys and girls? We going up, we going down? Which way are we headed today? It's happening. We got liquidity there, the 25s, 30s, 35s. I think we're pushing here. I'd say we're gonna push. If you know what I mean. Anybody know what I mean? I think it's pushing. Push up there to the 30s next. Take out that liquidity there, the 30s. Right now, the NASDAQ sitting there at the 24, 25s. There she goes. 30s coming up. Look at the 30 liquidity there. 35 after that, and then 40s. She's taking out 30s right here, right now, just like we said. Let's go. This thing can't stop. It won't stop. Get through the 30s there next. We look for that 40 break there to the upside. So get this end of day action. End of day action here in the boot. She's trying to just push straight through here right now, huh? We take out 30 liquidity there on the Bookmap right now, trying to get through that 30 liquidity. I'm watching for a possible just full continuation breakout there through this 30 level now. We just got to go straight up. Go right through the 30s here. Try to push up there through the 35s and then 40s up next. 35, 40s. Push in here. He's trying 30s to push. $30 push, 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 30 push, 30 push, 30 push. Look for 35s or higher here. I mean 35, yeah, 35s or higher on this push up now. 32s. Let's just take out that 30 here. You go right to the 40s there. After the 40s, what do we got on the book here? Not a lot of liquidity above the 40s though, so that's why I'm thinking we take out this 40 level. Run that liquidity up there. There we go, 35s now. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, go through the 35s. Take out the 40s here next. Let's go. Let's go. 36s, 37s, 38s. We're live on YouTube, baby. We're pushing up there to the 40s to a high so far of 38.75. I'm looking for 40s to break next. Let's do it. Oh, you gotta love it when it's that easy. Right up there at 35s, 40s. Boom, boom, boom. Beautiful. Beautiful. If we look here on the NASDAQ right now in terms of move up, what do we got? We've got a pivot point all the way to the upside, 852s. We've got what, Friday's high up there next. 76s from Friday's high up there, so that's something to think about. Can it get all the way up there is the question now. $1 million question here. Right now holding up here at the 30s. We pushed so far up there at 38.75. That was a little bit of resistance there from the overnight, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, that overnight high, the resistance there, 39.25. We hit 38.75 there, so pretty much on the dot. Big move up after that move down there about 11 o'clock today. Big move back from the 550s, back up there to the 725s. Market down, it's up. Talk about a V recovery right there, if I've ever seen one. That looks a lot like a V. V. What do you think? Looks pretty much like a V to me. Seeing what's gonna happen here at the NASDAQ if we're gonna push through the 40s here next. V for Vendetta. Cup and handle. Ooh. It's a V cup. V cup. Look at that. Such a cup, and it's like a double cupping handle here. You got like a, you got the cup, you got a little handle, and then another handle. Look and see if we can get this push through the 40s here next. That's the drawing. That's my indicator. Can we get through the highs up there, the 40s? 40s. I'm liking it. I'm liking this push back. I'm liking this push back here. The Bookmap, the liquidity sitting there at the 40s. We take out the 40s, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. 40 break it, baby. Let's do it. Show the world. Show the power. Whee! Right now, we're looking here at the Bookmap, seeing where the liquidity is sitting at. We can see there's liquidity up there at the 50s. There's some here at the 45s. A lot of it sitting right there at the 40s for now. A lot of liquidity. Yeah, the 40s here. So we will see. If we break through 40s, we should go 45s pretty quickly. So look for that break straight up there. Right now, trying to push all that liquidity there at the 50s. And then a little bit there at 45s. But a lot of liquidity basically stacked up here, 38s to 40s. I think that gets taken out sooner than later. I think that gets taken out sooner than later. They're trying, pushing through the 37s now. They just go straight up here. We talked about Friday's high up there at 75s. See how she goes. There's that 40 break. Thank you very much. We got buyers. Look how the buyers just stepped in there at 37 now. So this is gonna be going through 40s here. 41, 42s. She's just going straight up here. And there we go, up there to the 44s, just like we were looking for. 44, 45s. What a beautiful move. Woo! What a wild ride here. She's up, she's down. Took out that 40 level with power, with ferocity, with, I don't know what you call that. Conviction. Coming back down here, 35s again. We still got another 30 minutes, or wait, 20 minutes till actual power hour. So we got some time till power hour still. The market getting primed, getting heated up, showing us where it wants to go first. Hey, go first. I think looking at the book map now, the next level that we got up there is 750. Get to the 750s. Rips in the chat. Thanks for the compliment. Nice trading. Let's go. We got Danny passing the 250K Apex account. Ooh, buddy. See if we get through the 40s strong here. I like that. Look at they're adding liquidity upside there. See how there's liquidity now at the 55s and also at the 60s up there. So they're preparing for the move, they said. Got to get those orders stacked up there. Make the market. QQQ pulled up all the way up there to the 429.30 area. Still waiting to see kind of what happens here exactly. Oh, God. Music is getting a little crazy there for a second. Party. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check, mic check, 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 check. Mike's good. Where's Mike? Who's Mike? Mike said 50s? Okay. Mike said it's going to the 50s. Mike. Ooh, 50s. Back to the 40s we go. This NASDAQ wants that 50 area. Ooh. Come on, Nazzy. I call her Nazzy sometimes. When I'm feeling a little, you know, like I need her help. All right, Nazzy, help me out here. Help me out, Naz. Through the 40s here, rip up there to the 50s one more time. Show the world what we do. Break it through the 40s. Come on, come on, come on. Up there to the 44s again. We get to that 44 level. 50s is right there, in touch. In touch. Let's go 54s. I mean, not 54s, but there is 54 liquidity sitting there. 54 liquidity sitting there right now on the NASDAQ here. Ooh, buddy. I'm gonna need a couple more Red Bulls to keep this energy up, but we are going here through the 40s. Can the NASDAQ keep it going? Need a little bit more Red Bull. Anybody got a Red Bull for the NASDAQ? NASDAQ, yeah, get some Red Bull. Get the wings to fly. If you look at the hourly chart as well, this is definitely setting up. She wants to push here. Look at the hourly chart. Pulling up the hourly chart here. Look at this thing. Tell me she don't want that 77 level up there. Tell me. Tell me. I don't know. Looks a lot like she wants to go here. Up there to the 45s now. 43s. Oh, buddy, buddy. You gotta love it. Up there to the 45s. Can we go all the way to the 50s now? Another pullback here into the 40s again. Bookmap. All that liquidity is sitting up there. We're definitely due for a pullback, but I think we can get maybe just a little bit more out of this. Trying to run it up a little bit more here, but trying to gotta get all that liquidity stacking up there. 45, 47 to 50s now. Not much liquidity below us here. NASDAQ's a nice little run here from the 708s now up there to the 45s. We'll see how this plays. Need to like gotta get this thing still ripping to squeeze those bears. The bears. Bears want a little squeeze here. There we go. Let's do it. 45. We gotta break it. We gotta break it, people. We gotta go through the 45s to get to the 50s. Clearly. All right. 45 sitting there on the book. On the book. I like to call it. You know, when people ask me about my what I do, I said, man, I trade the book. I'm on the book, man. I'm on the book. All right, can we get through the 45s here? 45 break it, we take it to 50s. 45 a break it, we go to the 50s. Like I said though, this market definitely looking a little long on the tooth here, but it's got this setup here, that hourly chart breaking out through the 40s here. 50s up there next. Go to the 50s here. Look at that hourly chart, man. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Again, up there to the 44, 45s, pulling back here to the 40s again. NASDAQ stuck up there in the 40s once again. DJ Patrick on the ones and the twos. NASDAQ really wants to go higher. Will she go? $1 million question. Both the ES and NASDAQ both breaking above the highs from the overnight. Now we're really kind of looking to see if we can push all the way up there to the high from Friday, the all-time high once again, right? Friday. All the way up there at the 775s. 775s, they are on the NASDAQ. Pivot point to the upside at the 857s. 857s! Is Monday going to be the low of the week here? Ooh. $1 million question. Again, pushing off the 40s there. I don't know about you guys, but this thing's looking tight. Looking tight. Expect a move to come here. It's going to be hot power hour. We can go straight to the moon. We can go pull on back down there to the VWAP. Anything's possible. That 740 area holding us up right now. Get through the 45s. We go to the 50s. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. 45 still sitting up there. 50s. 45, 50s. Take it out. Oh, man. Back to the 40s again. Bro, are you in a trade, bro? Yes, I'm in a trade. Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm in a trade. I told you guys, I'm in a trade. Happy, happy. Looking for this move up here. Looking for this break. I want to see a 50 push here. 50s or break it. 50s or nothing. I want 50s or nothing. 50s or nothing. You can see all that liquidity up there at the 45 level. We get through all that liquidity, we go. Whee! $255 here. We got 5 more minutes till 3 o'clock. If you're looking at the chart right now, you can see the NASDAQ on the book map here. All that liquidity sitting there at the 445 level right there. We're looking to see if the market's going to take that liquidity out here, push up there to the 50s here next. That's right. NASDAQ just consolidating here at the 40s. Consolidating. If you're just now tuning in, yes, we are in a trade. We've been long here for that push above the 30s. We talked about it earlier. We're looking to see if we can get through the 40s strong here. Let's get one more big boner candle to the upside here. Watching, waiting, looking, hoping, praying. Got to get through this 40s. Get through the 40s strong and move on up to Party Town. Just consolidating here now, 35s, so. 3 o'clock, we need some power hour. Need some power hour. Push it back up here. $34s. I'm long right now from the 30s, looking for a push up. I really don't want this back really below this 30 level again. So I really need to hold up here. I want to see reactions. I want to see buyers stepping in here, trying to push this right back up there to the 40s. Can we get right back to the 40s here? Push, baby, push. Don't get stuck here again. Need this breakout here on this downward trend, and then we go through the high there at the 45s. Oh, baby Jesus. Just do it already. Right through the 40s. Come on. We need a breakout here. Get above the 40s. Break this out. DJ, Patrick. Whip, 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 whip. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. I was hoping the market was gonna squeeze right there, but clearly did not do the squeeze at the same time as the drop. Dollar is popping up here. DXY popping out of its bearish trend that it was in. We need something to happen here. We need the dollar to come on down, to come back down. Dollar, don't go nowhere. Trying to think if I should get out of this trade here. Long from the 30s. Stuck here multiple times. Can't get moving, so. Give it a little bit more. Just don't want this below 30s here. Push it right here. Push it right here. Dollar come down. Damn dollar. Damn dollar. Damn dollar. Stopped out there at the 30s just to get out of it for break even. Now it's gonna pop right back up. Clearly, duh. Market pulling back here now. Just couldn't get to that 40 level. Just couldn't do it. Just couldn't do it. Market pulling back here. 724. Still got all that liquidity up in there in the 40s. Blake, rocket ship taking off in T-minus 1 minute. Okay. All in long. Market pulling back here, getting stuck at the highs, coming right back down. We had the freaking dollar broke out, so that should have been a pretty clear indicator that the NASDAQ was in trouble there, so. We pulled back into this previous breakout level now, the 713, 715 level. Doesn't look too hot right now. NASDAQ looking weak here. They really start selling this. You got the VWAP down there at the 76s. Bunch of liquidity down there at the 710s now. Bunch of liquidity there at the 715s, holding it down right now. 100 contracts sitting there. Look at that. 715s contracts. Well, 100 contracts at 715 sitting there right now, holding this market down. Market bouncing there off the low, not the lows, but off that little pullback. Kind of triple bottom there at the 12s for now. Those three candles kind of getting support there, kind of forming this little bear flag right now. Bear flagging. We'll see if this is actually going to break to the downside here or not. Start taking this thing down. Okay. Grabbed it short. Right there, looking for this move straight down here now. I'm gonna buy 5. Buy another 5 right there. Still short. Holding 5 more to see if it sells straight through here. Stop at break even there. You can see the bear flag playing out there beautifully. We got stuck at the highs there at the 720s, broke the downside, took that short right there at the 14s, right when we broke this yellow line. Got short there, looking for that move down to the 90s. The guy in the chat excited about the fact that he said it was going to go lower during a bear flag. Oh my God. Market's still looking weak here. We got the VWAP down there at the 76s now. 76s to the downside there. The ES holding up at a pretty trend line right now. The ES holding up there at the 70s. Thinking about adding to this short position. We can take out that 700 level there again. VWAP to the downside, 76s down there. I like that VWAP level down there. We can take out 92s there next. It's looking really good to sell down here. Just take out that 92 level. A bunch of liquidity stacked up there. 92 liquidity down there. Get through that 92 level. And then you got 70 to the downside. 670s down there. Need to clear out this 700 level here. 700, got to clear it out. Clear it out here. 92s. Here we go. Take me downtown through 92s, baby. Take out the 92s there. Don't pop it back up. Take it right on through there. 92, break it. 92 is holding it up for now. We broke to the downside from our bear flag we identified there earlier, 2-minute chart here. And looking to see if we get down there to the VWAP, 76s or so. Right now, liquidity is sitting here at the 700. It's now NASDAQ being stubborn here. We take out 90s, we're going. We're gonna crash. I'm looking for this 90 break here. Can we get it? Come on, take me to the 90s here. There we go. There we go. Take it on through there. Take it on through there, boys and girls. Take me downtown. Let's go, boys. Let's go. I'm going to lock it in right there. I actually added to that short. I was short there earlier, talking about the breakdown. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Sometimes you're good, sometimes you're real good. Okay, okay. There is no consistency rule for Apex evaluation. Down there to 85s, just like we were looking for. The breakdown, the setup. We identified it. We had it all laid out there. Had our little bear flag set up there. The rip to the downside. I got short right there at that 14 break. Took it on down here. VWAP at the 76s. What made me add? Just the fact that we were holding up there so well on that short. So I shorted here and then ended up adding again right there to take it all off at the lows. Still might go lower though. You got a bunch of liquidity in the 70s. This is going 70s. This is going into the 70s here. This is going into the 70s. Oh my baby Jesus. Oh my baby Jesus. All that liquidity about to get taken. Get taken. All right, all right, all right. If you guys haven't hit that like button, go ahead and blow it up. It's free to like, by the way. Free to like. And there you go. Look at it. Right down there to the VWAP. All right, all right. All right, all right now. Look at that. I don't think I could have drawn a better fucking bear flag if I tried. I'd have to like really try to do that. That bear flag was perfect. Textbook bear flag down to the VWAP. Someone will still comment and be like, yeah, but All right, nice little bounce there off the fucking VWAP. The rocket back up here to the 90s already. Let's see what happens there next. Right now it's 3:17. We got plenty of time. Power hour. Oh, buddy. You wanted to be. Market pulling back down here again. Trying to figure out if this is a long down here or if this is gonna keep heading lower. Tricky. Tricky. They're playing it tricky right now, boys. We got that pivot point to the downside down there at the 58s. Looking weak right now. But then there's that little reverse. I don't know, I might. I'm gonna try a short. Try to look for a short here. This thing gets below the VWAP. There's that pivot point to the downside there, the 50s. Dollar's pushing up here nicely as well, so. Bunch of liquidity sitting there at the 80s. Get through that 80 liquidity. We take out this low down there, the 76s. Put in a higher low here. Back up. VWAP supporting us now. We can rip back above 700s quickly. See what happens here end of day. It's currently 322. I think back above 700s, the longs get interesting. Just got to get back above 700 there. 700 resistance on the book map there. Feeling. 700 key level here to get through for the bulls. We take out this 700 here, we go. Right now, right here, 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 right now. Take out the 700 level, go start ripping back up here possible. End of day, 709, 710 level will be your next kind of like area to push up into. Then after that, 25s, and then up there the 45, that high from earlier, so. Market trying to make a move. Can it go? $700 is pushing. This thing could get legs, real nice legs right here. Start moving through this level, so. Let's see. You see how that level of liquidity is sitting there at the 702s right now. Just go, oh, there she goes. They just moved that liquidity to the 10s. Saw that moved to the 10s there. Right now we're looking at the book map here. This is all the liquidity in the market that we're looking at here. On the book right now, book map. There's that push through the 702s. 704, 705s now pushing straight up here. That idea of pushing up here to the 10s very much looking like it's going. See if we go right to the 10s or more. Not a lot of liquidity sitting up there, so buyers are buying. They're pushing. There's the 08s now. And look where we're at, right in the middle of that area we talked about just a few minutes ago, that 10 level now pushing up in there, so. See what happens here next. She's still going. Pushing, pushing, pushing. The bulls have come to party. Eric Smith locking it in. Target filled. Let's go. Look at her. She's still ripping. All right, all right. VWAP, the bounce is real. Look at that bounce off of the VWAP there. 680s, ripping it right back up here. 713s now. End of day, wouldn't be surprised to see us above the high of day so far. Look at this thing ripping right now. See if we get a little micro pullback here, a little pullback in here, and then we rip up to the highs. Dollar's pulling back nicely. The NASDAQ pulling back here as well. Who will continue to go higher? Who will break to the downside? All right, this is looking very much like it wants to just go straight through the 20s here next. This breakout in the 5-minute chart through the 20s there next would be perfecto. We still got 30 minutes here till market closes. 30 minutes till market close. Market trying to do it here. She's trying. I'd say through the 20s here, we break out. We should get some type of move out of here. The reason I'm live right now is because the weather is pretty crappy outside and had nothing else going on. I'm heading to Hawaii on Friday, so just kind of taking it easy right now. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. Dollar kind of could either go either way. Dollar does not look so much like a bull flag, but NASDAQ wants to rip here. Through the 20s, this thing should get it going. Through the 20s, we get it going. Right now, pushing here, Bookmap, all that 20 liquidity. After that, 35 liquidity to the upside. So I'll be looking for that 30 area pretty quickly here. 30 pretty quickly here. Pretty 30 quickly. If we break through the 20s here with conviction, which is like it's doing right now, conviction. There she goes. 20s tested. 20s going. 20s going. Look at the buyers trying to step in there. They're adding liquidity there. Oh, God. They're playing a game. Look at it. They're holding it down there, the 20s. They're adding liquidity, taking liquidity, adding liquidity. Who's going to battle this out and win? The Bears, the Bulls. Through 20s. Be looking at 35s up there next. Twenty holding us down again. Kind of just clearing out liquidity here. Not really going anywhere. Market sitting here, not going anywhere. We're stuck. Pulling back down there to the 700s again. Oh, buddy, 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 buddy. Buddy, 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 buddies. Bookmap getting a little less active here, end of day actually. That 700 level getting tested once again, pulling back. Remember love. Got 10 minutes till 350. 350 algorithm's gonna go wild. If you've never seen the 350 algorithm happen, well, you're in luck, my friends. It's gonna happen today. It happens every day. 350. 350 every fucking day. This market turns on, it turns off every... Oh, well. Maybe not every day. NASDAQ tried to put in a higher low here. Higher low here for the NASDAQ. Trying to see if this is a short here. We get short below the 700. Take this all the way down to the VWAP again. Pivot point to the downside down there, the 57s. Just holding up there, 700s for now. We lose that 700 support, this thing is probably just gonna fucking crater to the downside. Got to dump right through 700s here. Market holding the 700s for now. Ripping back up there with Veracity. Veracity back up the 710s. 700, let's take it out. Getting very tight here at the 700s. Get this move here at 350. I think we're gonna get a decent sized move here once this end of day close happens. The ES selling down, the NASDAQ selling down. I need the dollar to pop up here for a short here. Getting some selling pressure here below 700s again. Not really much going on to the downside liquidity wise. I don't love that. I would like to see some orders sitting down here. Market's not going to move down when there's nothing sitting down there for it to move to, so. Need some liquidity to the downside there. 97s, there's some liquidity there. 94s now. Five minutes till 350. The 350 algorithm. If you've never witnessed this in person, stay tuned. Back up off the lows again. Well, not the lows, off the 701, sorry. 700 area there. We got those numbers coming out here, 350. Look at that rip. Just could not get below 700s there. Looking to see what's going to happen here end of day. If we get this rip, end of day could get up here towards into this 35, 40 level end of day. We push through the 15s right here, right now. Got about 2 minutes. The market chopping here at the 700s. Should get a move here at 350. 350, keep an eye out. 350, it's coming. What are we thinking? Maybe a little trap to the downside, then a rip higher. Trap to the upside, then a rip down. Or just straight down to the VWAP. 30 seconds till the news. Well, not till the news, still 350 algorithm. Here we go, 10 seconds. The 350 algorithm, it's real. Get ready. It's real, I told you. There's the move. Up there to the 710s again. Do we rip here? 20's up there on the book map now. Oh, we're ripping. We're ripping, it says. Oh, buddy. She's ripping. Up there to the 20s now. Got 25 liquidity. Be looking to push up into that 25s here next. Take out the 25s right here, right now. Do it, do it, do it, do it. There's a 25 push. Beautiful through the 25s. The 350 algorithm on the dot every day. 350. Market makes a big move. All right, 25s, 25 30s up there. The ES having trouble pushing back up, pulling the NASDAQ back down. The dollar's still selling off though, the DXY, but trouble. If you guys want to learn more about if you want to learn more about Apex got a deal right now. It's 71% off, $35 for resets, which is the cheapest in the industry right now. The cheapest in the industry currently. Fernando, how many account fees do I pay if I have 5, for example? Well, you pay 5 account fees, right? No, I'm saying the Apex evaluation resets right now at $35 are the cheapest. And the NASDAQ going nowhere here end of day. So you know what that means. Peace. I'm out of here. I'm over it. Oh, now she's ripping again. She heard me. She said, no, no. She said, no, 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 no. This is going to push through the 20s here next. How long we got? We got 5 minutes left now. Bunch of liquidity up there at the 25s. I got a meeting at 4 o'clock I got to do, so I'm probably just going to do that. And that liquidity there at the 20s is clearing out now. Should go right through the 20s here next. $25 to the upside, 30s up there. There she goes. Can we go to the 25s? I'll take 25.75. Give me 25.75 here. 25.75, 25.75. And pay me. Pay me, Junior. Had a nice little move up there, 25.75 there. Took that long, like I said, clearing out there at the 20s and making the move. 26s now. So 25s. There she is. So there it is. Tomorrow morning, I'll be back for Turbo Tuesdays. Turbo Tuesdays be here every morning, 9 a.m. basically. So I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace to the Middle East. $300,000 K giveaway. No, that's tomorrow. So it's only got 190 likes. Weak sauce. Fucking weak sauce. Look at it pushing up there to the 30s now. 30s. The Bookmap had all that liquidity up there, 35s. There she goes. So, market's still pushing higher. See you all later on.